Hello everyone. Hope you are all keeping well in this difficult time. Now, I like to cook today a karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Karaage is very popular in many restaurants and at home in Japan. The key to good karaage is how to fry. We remember we had best karaage in Kusatsu near Kyoto. Kyoto is my late husband's birthplace. So I hope I can cook good karaage today. So let's start cooking. So this is my karaage. I'm glad it turned out a very nice color and crunchy. I hope juicy inside. With karaage, you can have white rice and cabbage or lettuce and some lemon and also mayonnaise. So I hope you can try this easy karaage and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.